has evolved significantly. From traditional face-to-face conversations, we've shifted to messaging apps, social media, and online forums. What if I told you that you could get paid to chat? Yes, it's possible. In this video, we'll explore various ways to turn your conversations into cash, whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig. Freelance writing. One of the most lucrative ways to get paid for chatting is through freelance writing. Many websites and businesses are willing to pay writers for creating engaging, informative, and entertaining content. You can write blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and more. The key is to find topics you're passionate about and build a portfolio that showcases your writing skills. Social media management. If you're a social media enthusiast, consider becoming a social media manager. Many companies and influencers are looking for individuals to handle their online presence. This involves posting updates, responding to comments, and engaging with the audience. With the right strategy, you can turn your love for social media into a profitable career. Online tutoring. Do you have expertise in a particular subject? Online tutoring platforms like Chegg, Tutor.com, and VIPKid allow you to teach students from around the world. You can provide one-on-one instruction, answer questions, and help students improve their skills. It's not only a rewarding job but also a great way to earn money while sharing your knowledge. Customer support. Many companies hire remote customer support representatives to chat with customers and resolve their issues. These roles typically involve answering questions, providing assistance, and ensuring a positive customer experience. It's a great way to get paid for chatting while helping others. Online surveys and market research. Companies are always eager to gather feedback from consumers. You can sign up for online survey platforms like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, or Vindale Research. By participating in surveys, sharing your opinions, and providing valuable insights, you can earn money or gift cards. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Artificial intelligence is becoming increasingly prevalent in customer service. Companies use chatbots and virtual assistants to handle routine inquiries and tasks. If you have the skills to set up and manage these systems, you can offer your services to businesses looking to automate their customer support. Live streaming and content creation. Platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok offer opportunities to make money by chatting and creating content. If you have a unique talent, a charismatic personality, or expertise in a niche, you can grow a dedicated audience and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and donations. Language translation. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can work as a freelance translator or interpreter. Many businesses and individuals require translation services for documents, websites, and live conversations. This skill can be a valuable asset in the global marketplace.